Welcome back to Salve's Glam Beauty. Today's video is long overdue, okay? This video should have been the first video that we put on YouTube. But today I'm here to make it right, okay? I cannot believe that Salve's Glam Beauty have never did a clear lip gloss video before. Like, this is unacceptable, okay? Because as we all know, clear lip gloss is the OG for lip glosses. Like, really? So I'm here to make it right today, okay? We are making some clear lip gloss, okay? It's gonna be a fun one. So here I have my coconut oil. I'm only gonna be using coconut oil in this lip gloss today because I want it super clear, okay? I have my VERSAGEL here and all of that stuff. So let's do this, okay? I'm starting off with some VERSAGEL. Okay, that much. Give it a little bit of stir. Okay. So up next, I'm gonna be using some coconut oil, like I said. I want the gloss super clear. Like, this is like, it is totally unacceptable and very disrespectful to the clear gloss. Like, clear gloss is the grandmama when it comes to lip glosses. Like, how dare you, Salve's Glam? Like, this is totally disrespectful, but we're gonna make it right today, okay? You cannot disrespect the OG. But even though this lip gloss is clear, we're still gonna make it spicy, okay? We're gonna make it really spicy. So, let's get the consistency right first before we do any other thing. Okay, as you can see, it is really clear. I'm gonna be adding more oil. Like I said, I'm not gonna be putting any other thing in here. I'm just gonna be making a clear gloss, and it is gonna be a bomb. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me zoom in a little bit more, just so we can have a clear view of this. Okay. And we're gonna mix. Can you guess what flavor this gloss gonna be? Can you? Hold on. Let's preserve this first, okay? Preserve. Put some preservative. Good. And we're gonna put some polyisobutene. Even though it's clear, we want that shine, okay? I know a lot of people that would like it. Like, some people don't like color on the lips. They just like the OG. So, shoot. We're gonna give y'all OG today, okay? And we are not gonna make this OG lip gloss lazy, okay? It's gonna be a fun one. Okay. All right, I like the consistency, but it's not quite there yet. So yeah, the only problem that I'm having, I don't think it's a problem, it's just me. I don't like the air bubbles in it. I don't know what to do to take this out. I need to learn how to get air bubbles out of my glosses. Okay, so up next, I'm gonna be using this Get Sucker. It's a pink lemonade, okay? Pink lemonade flavor. Yes. Come through, clear gloss. And I'm gonna be trying out something new that I've never done in any of my videos before. I'm gonna be putting some sweetener in this clear gloss. So the OG lip gloss is gonna get the best, okay? I'm gonna be putting 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay, that's enough. I don't want much. I'm trying the sweetener for the very first time. If you guys don't like it, and like if people don't like the sweet in it, I'm never gonna use it. I'm just gonna toss it, okay? So, but for now, we don't know what they like. Like this china is a brand new china. Like I'm gonna explore everything that I possibly can, because this is a new china. I don't know what are some of the things y'all like and what y'all don't like, okay? So yeah, the consistency is okay, but I just feel like it's gonna leave that white residue behind after a while on your lips, so I'm not settling for that. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more coconut oil in here. Okay, that should set the mood right. Okay, even though this is a clear gloss, I don't want to add vitamin E, but I know it's very important. So I'm just going to be putting a few drops. 1, 2, good. That's enough. It's not a big batch anyway, so it's not going to hurt the gloss. It's still going to remain clear. Okay, it is smelling so lovely. Okay, so with this gloss, even though it's clear, but I still want to add a little bit of touch to it, I'm gonna be using this lemon in it. Okay, this is a lemon, like a yellow lemon. I love the color. I've already put them in my container, in my lip gloss 1 tubes, so I'm gonna be filling it. Okay, but let's just give it one more mix, try it out, and see if it's the consistency that we are looking for. Okay, yes, it is. I like the consistency. It's not too thick, it is not running neither, so it is just right. All right, let's put this in the tube and see how it's gonna look, okay? Okay. It is looking divine. So, you guys know one of the biggest challenge that we have on this channel is putting our stoppers on here. So let's see how we did, okay? You already know the drill. We clean around it so well. very, very well. And then put our stopper like so. All right, you guys, look here. Before I do, let me just spray my bottle a little bit and clean it up and get all the greasiness out. Yep. You guys, please ignore the sounds that you're hearing because I don't know what all that sound like. Okay, it is looking good. This is screamy summer, people. Like, I am in love with this color. Okay, so yeah, it's nice and clean. It's nice and clean, you guys. Like, oh my God. My label isn't really showing, but for the most part, I'm happy with this beautiful lemonade. Like, can we have a moment of silence for this bomb looking lip gloss, you guys? Look here. We killed it, okay? So this is our clear lemonade lip gloss, okay? So we finally got a clear gloss in our store or on YouTube. I hope you guys gonna love this video. Watch this video, share this video, all of that good stuff. I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like I always said, thank you, you guys. And I am so happy to tell you all that we have hit 150 subscribers already. We just been on YouTube for 2 months. And I'm so happy. Like, you guys are the truth. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, bye-bye.